Mallard ducks actually have a language of sorts. There's a "Hey baby, I'm here" call. There's that "Num num, this is tasty" call. There's the basic quack. Well, that duck came right into the call, and I was able to close the distance with him pretty good. But when I got closer, I could tell he wasn't a mallard. He's some sort of diving duck, and those usually don't taste as good as mallards, so I'm just gonna kind of let that one go. I'm just working my way up and down this river and around the lake, just looking for sloughs and marshy spots.